Hello beautiful people. In this tutorial I'm going to talk about Google Ads campaign type. How many type of campaign we will run on Google Ads. So first people need to know who we are and what we do. Then we will find our key for success, our campaign. This is Google Ads funnel. First we need to run brand awareness campaign on Google Display Ads. Second one is brand recall. Third step is consideration. Fourth step is conversion, then loyalty. And you can see conversion, consideration is our search ad, and loyalty is also display ads. Here is another funnel, Google Ads and customer conversion. First we need to run brand awareness, then we will focus our customer engagement. So we need to focus impression, click-through rate, conversion rate, repeated customer. This is very important on Google Ads. So here is purchase funnel. First we need to run awareness campaign, then people see our product, what we do, then interest, then desire, then people can action our product, and this is our main customer. So here is another Google AdWords campaign type, and we will talk it very deeply in later one by one. So 5 type of Google Ads, and their benefit is search, display, mobile ads, video ads, and shopping ads. And Google provide 5 type of ads. So now I'm on Google Ads dashboard and tracking by GTM, and I create a new campaign, and here is all type of campaign objective on here. And when I click sales, and you will see our campaign type on here: search, performance max, display, shopping, discover, video. But when you run shopping ads, and it should be connect to Google Merchant Center, otherwise Google shopping campaign we will never run. When I select lead, and you will see this type of same type of campaign on here, but for the new brand we can run brand awareness and people can reach our product. These are display and search. Then we can make a display ads as well as video ads on YouTube. Then 7 days later people know already who we are and what we do. Then we focused on product and brand consideration, and these are video ads, and here is encourage people to explore our product and services. And then we will run sales, lead, or traffic. Mostly we run sales ad for e-commerce, and if you need to collect lead, then you can run leads campaign objective. When you select lead, and you will get search, performance max, display, shopping, discover, video. But I prefer search and video. Now I select app promotion, and then you can see app, campaign tab, app, and here is app install. If you have a Play Store or App Store, then we can easily select your app name on here. Then we will create a campaign, then we will select our audience, then we will run our ads. So hope you understand Google Ads objective and Google Ads campaign tab. Feel free to like this video and subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos, and I promise you will never be disappointed. See you on my next video.